the Sennheiser CX400BT. Now, you're not going to be able to remember it by that particular name, not easily the most easy one to remember. But do remember it by the review that I'm going to give you. Now, the previous ones, the Sennheiser TWS earbuds that had come to our show, we declared them the best that we'd actually tried up till that time. Now, a lot has come after that. Sony's new TWE had come in. A lot more had come in. But I still believe that the price point really determines how many people are going to buy this. So Sennheiser came up with something that isn't 24,000, it actually is for about 16,000 rupees. But are they any good? That's what we're about to find out.
Great sound, noise cancelling capabilities, long battery life and the perfect fit. These are the ingredients that make excellent wireless earphones. And this is a recipe that Sennheiser as a brand knows of, and they already have a strong hold on the premium audio segment. They finally launched their first TWS earphones not very long ago, the Momentum True Wireless 2. These promised the world but came at a very high asking price of 24,990 rupees. And now finally, Sennheiser has heard our prayers and have climbed down the price ladder with their new CX400BT earphones. These are priced at a slightly more affordable 16,990 rupees. But do these manage to live up to the brand's legacy? Let's find out in our review. The design of the Sennheiser CX400BT is not so attractive in the first look. They look slightly chunky. However, the bulky charging case does make it sturdy and reliable. In the box, we find the USB Type-C cable which can help you charge the case. The hinge of the charging case is quite durable and didn't give us any reason to complain even after extensive usage. Once we open the charging case, we see the earbuds themselves. When we wore them, we found that despite the weight of 6 grams of each earbud, they were quite comfortable to wear. Sennheiser does leave us asking for more aesthetically, since the earbuds come only in 2 colors, white and black. The performance of the CX400BT in terms of the sound was very satisfying. There are 7mm dynamic drivers in each bud, which is pretty impressive. The sound was nicely balanced with a very respectable sound stage. The details of the music were very clear. The bass was very well defined and the mids were quite natural to hear. The audio quality doesn't disappoint when it comes to taking calls as well. The touch controls on the earbuds make them very easy to use. The touch controls can be used to play, pause, forward and rewind the music. You can also use the touch controls to take or cancel the calls. We do feel that the CX400BT lacks in the battery department. With the earbuds having a battery life of 7 hours, the case has an additional capacity of 13 hours, which can keep you going, but you might find yourself charging your earbuds once in every 2 days depending on your usage. This, however, was not the case with its elder sibling, the Momentum True Wireless 2, that did really well with its battery life. The touch gestures are customizable using the Sennheiser Smart Control app. The app connects very quickly to the earbuds and gives a very fluid experience. With the app, one can also change the built-in audio equalizer. It also gives us different codec support like SPC, AAC and aptX, which is a big plus. Overall, the CX400BT True Wireless earbuds with their great performance, reliable design and durability offer a very decent deal. The battery capacity, although not so great, is not a deal breaker. The CX400BT is a good option at 16,990 rupees and it is a solid contender to the likes of Apple AirPods Pros and Samsung Galaxy Buds Live.